Each layer of the Captain's sun shield is incredibly thin. Layer 1, the layer closest to the Sun, is the thickest at 0.05 millimeters, while the next 4 layers are just 0.025 millimeters thick. Captain by itself is actually transparent, which isn't a fantastic trait for a sun-blocking heat shield. Thankfully, the wonder material that is Captain can be easily coated in other materials. Each layer is coated in a 100 nanometer thick coating of aluminium, giving the sun shield its reflective appearance. This reflective quality helps prevent heat transfer through radiation by simply bouncing that radiation back to space. And with the gaps between each layer, the heat that is absorbed can't easily transfer through conduction or convection, taking advantage of the highly insulating vacuum of space between each layer. Heat could still transfer between each layer through radiation. The outermost layer will gain heat and start glowing with infrared radiation, just as we see through an infrared camera. In order to prevent this, the sun shield has some clever engineering designs. The layers are angled relative to each other to ensure the reflected radiation between each layer is funneled outwards to space, ensuring that each layer gradually reduces the temperature as it gets closer to